Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I made a cake with almonds and chocolate. I will start making the batter. Using 180 grams of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 120 milliliters of milk, 1 teaspoon almond extract, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 200 grams of sugar, 200 grams of room temperature butter, 45 grams of martipan or almond paste, 3 eggs, and 50 grams of chocolate. And I'm gonna melt this chocolate. I'm gonna mix flour and baking powder. I'm melting the chocolate on a double boiler. I have water in the pan and put the chocolate in this metal bowl and keep it there until it's melting. And I'm gonna let this aside. In the mixer bowl I have butter and that almond paste, and I'm gonna start mixing them together with a pinch of salt. Add sugar gradually and keep on mixing. Keep on mixing until the sugar starts to dissolve and this mixture looks like nice and airy and fluffy. Add vanilla extract and almond extract. Add eggs one by one and keep on mixing. And I will finish incorporating flour and baking powder, alternating with milk until I finish both ingredients. I will also preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. And when I'm done with this batter, making sure that all these ingredients are well mixed, I'm gonna pour the batter in my bundt pan. And if you have an older one that doesn't have this non-stick layer, you should butter it a bit and sprinkle some flour. This way you're gonna be sure that you're gonna be able to take out the cake out of the pan without ripping it off. Pour the batter in the pan and left a little bit. You can also tap the tray on the table to make sure that there are no air pockets. Drizzle now that melted chocolate, and as you can see I tend to pour it in the middle, and I go with a knife and mix it a little bit with the batter that is underneath, and I'm gonna put this in the oven to bake at 180 for about 40 minutes, but depending on your oven, keep it until the cake is baked. And to ensure that, just do the toothpick test. Stick a toothpick in the thickest part of the cake and take it out, and if the toothpick comes out clean, that means the cake is baked. Looks super nice. I'm gonna turn it upside down now on a plate, and I will melt a little bit of chocolate again, about 50 grams of chocolate, and drizzle it again on top of the cake, and this is how I will decorate it. But if you just want to keep it simple, some powdered sugar will be just right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're gonna try the recipe and let me know what you think, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another one. Have an awesome day and find reasons to smile. Bye bye.